Okay, welcome to my class. I'm Mr. Dubois, and I'm pretty much fast with everything. I like to teach fast, talk fast, and I like to run fast.
So what you're saying is Mr. Dubois is freakishly fast?
Yeah, pretty much.
Well, can you show us? Like, give us an example or something?
You will see, young one. One day, I'll show you, and it will blow your mind away.
Okay, but why are you like that? Like, how did you get so freakishly fast? I want to see you in your fast mode.
Hey guys, what's up? I had Mr. Dubois last year, so I already know about his fastness. It's not that big of a deal. He just likes to show off.
I see. You like to run your mouth. Alright, well, let's play a game, a really fun game, and we'll see,
Whatever. You think you can beat me in anything? Yeah, right. I'll kick your butt in anything you hand me.
Let's do like a triathlon, like not riding bikes, something you can do here in school.
Sounds like a good idea. Alright, first, we'll start from upstairs and then run to my classroom. Then we'll start writing a short story. And if it just so happens that we tie, then we'll race back to my classroom.
That actually sounds like a good idea, but let me warn you. I'm very fast, super smart, and super duper strong. So be prepared to eat my dust.
Oh, can I be the judge? Please, 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 can I?
I guess you can. But there'll be no cheating. Or else.
Okay, guess that sounds fair.
You ready to lose?
Let us begin. You have to race from here to this classroom, write a one-paragraph story that makes sense, then I'll determine the winner. If it comes down to a tie, there'll be one last heat. Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Set, go!
Push her down, push on me. Are you okay? You okay? You okay, Annie? Are you okay? You okay? You okay, Annie? Are you okay? You okay? You okay, Annie? You've been hit by, you've been struck by a smooth criminal. House real big, cars real big, belly real big, everything real big, rims real big, pockets real big, rings real big. Let me tell you how I live. Like that, buy that, 24s ride that. Ladies, gentlemen, gangsters, pimps, mamas, daddies, stunners, shiners, rich snitch. I'm a real big timer, king of the hood. Everything wood, look like a forest in the truck and I'm a put.